Today we're filming with Danny from Zenful Mind. Danny has been in operation for a while now and offers meditation and tapping coaching both one-on-one and in group environments. Meditation is something I've been big on for a long time and it's completely changed my life. So I loved sitting down with Danny on this week's podcast to get a better understanding of what she does and how she helps. You can find it on Spotify, iTunes or wherever you get your podcasts. Jumping back into the market, and after consecutive weeks of strong auction clearance rates, it feels like there's a bit of frenzy happening. Low stock levels and an increase in new home loans continue to be the driver for the strong market, and a recent article from AFR highlights the amount of new home loans as they surged to a 3.5-year high. Consumers took out new home loans at the fastest rate in 3.5 years in September, as a record low borrowing costs, greater control of COVID, and the start of the spring housing market drove activity. New home loan commitments, excluding refinancing of existing mortgages, rose 5.9% from August to 22 billion, marking the fourth straight month of increase and the highest monthly total since March 2017, when the figure was 22 billion. Owner-occupied demand was again the strongest component of new lending, rising 6% to 17 billion. First home buyer lending rose 5%, more than the 5% gain in investor lending, and topping the value of new investor loan commitments for a second month at $5 billion. Following the RBA decision to cut the official cash rate, about a dozen lenders had already cut rates for their clients. Westpac and Commonwealth Bank have both reduced their 4-year fixed rate to 1.99%, with most of the big guys making cuts only on fixed rates, while the smaller mortgage organisations have moved their variable rates. As we move forward into Christmas and what is typically a slower period, we feel that this year will be different. There's still plenty of conversations with both buyers and sellers wanting to make a transaction, and we feel that there'll be several off-market deals in the lead up to the end of the year. Over the past few years, we've had the opportunity to work with several sellers around this time of year and have adopted a strategy to help them secure a premium price with minimal fuss. If you're thinking of selling in 2021, now is the time to chat. We have a high amount of people looking to buy, most of which have sold during the spring season, and with the changes taking place in March next year to JobKeeper and mortgage freezes, now is the time to take advantage of a strong market. Thanks again for tuning in and for all the continued support. The team and I hope to see you out and about. Take care.